Hello, dear teammate, and today I have prepared a short slide for you, just how to show you how I teach my student with about the mathematics in the medical imaging sciences. First, I have to show them the uh, the aims and objectives, and the aim for this lecture is to provide a review of mathematics and basic physics to that they will help them, the student with the understanding of medical imaging physics. And the objectives are here. And we have to start with the fractions. And I have to tell them a fraction is one number divided by another one, and you can perform some operations inside the set of fractions. You can add two fractions together, and you can also subtract a fraction from another one, like this one. You can also multiply two fractions, and you can also divide two fractions. And sometimes we have to tell them how they can recognize ratios and how they can recognize the proportionalities. And sometimes they have to know how to calculate some percentages so that once, for example, we have such an example, we have a field size of 30 centimeters and it needs to be increased by 12% in order to allow for an organ motion. And they have to calculate the correct enlarged field size. So they will have to calculate this one, and sometimes they have to provide the percentage. And we have to show them how they can use the standard form and the scientific notation. And sometimes we have to end with the exercises. I thank you very much.